Is your DVR overheating or freezing again and again? Let's fix it in just 1 minute. First, place your DVR in a well-ventilated area. Never keep it inside a closed box. Next, clean the DVR fan. Dust buildup blocks airflow and causes overheating. Use an extra cooling fan. Even a simple USB fan can reduce temperature significantly. Check your hard drive health. A damaged or old HDD can freeze your entire system. Update your DVR firmware. Old software can cause lag and freezing issues. If your DVR freezes, restart it for a temporary fix. Most issues are caused by heat, dust, or an old hard drive. If this fixed your DVR issue, hit like and subscribe for more real CCTV fixes. To avoid random camera disconnections, use reliable and tested equipment. To buy these, use links from description.